how to change password of your Snapchat account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily change your password of your Snapchat account on iPhone device. Now here the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Here first what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat here, you should get an face like this, right? Make sure you're logged into your account. The next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on your profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on profile icon, you should be headed into your profile where you'll get an face somewhat like this. Now in order to change your password, what you want to do is at the top right corner you can see the gear icon, the settings icon. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you should get an interface like this. If you scroll down here below, you can see Snapchat Plus, you can see Bitmoji, you can see Cameos, and under Cameos you can see password option. You want to simply tap on that particular password option here, and once you tap on password, it will ask you for your previous password. Now here what you want to do is first you want to type in your older password. Once you type in your older password, it will ask you to enter in your new password. Now here you want to enter in your old password, and once you do so, it'll ask you for new password. Simply type in your new password and your password will be changed. So this way you can change your password for your Snapchat account on iPhone. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.